Good morning, Forex traders. I am following up on my goal of getting 1% a day, and here's an update. A little bit of good news, bad news. So, my 1% goal, as if you watch my other videos, that my account doubled about 22 days in, or on April 22nd, I should say. And for January, return was 35%, February is 8%, and so on and so forth. And for May, the gain is 9.59%. And for June, the gain so far is 1.9%. So the account is not losing money, it's gaining steadily, but my ambitious goal here of 1% compounded daily would have allowed my account to be at this point, my account today, it's at 595. It should be at 791, which means I'm behind by $195, and I'll show you why in a minute here. I'm taking more of a long approach versus scalping kind of trading, although I might do some scalping later to help the account catch up. So this is a position I'm in here for, been holding for a while on the USD Swiss pair. So I originally bought this around this area right here, because this area here was acting as resistance. See here, hit here, down. This is daily charts. I went to this point down, So my original plan is to, I was thinking this resistance area here was going to act as support right here. That's why I went long on here. And I was in profit for a few days. And at the time, I think I said my take profit towards this top here of 102, around that area. So anyways, so what happened is, I think due to economic news, and this correlates a little bit with the stock market. So when this went down, so did this pair. I could have gotten here at a little bit of profit, but I chose not to. So like I said, I'm more into long-term trading now. So I pulled back, and I bought this position at this, another position here at this level here. It's almost parity. No, wait, no, parity's up here. Anyways, so this is another area of support. So broke support a little bit. If support is broken, don't like panic and get in towards the short side, because usually it's a fake break. So you have to be very patient and trust in your method. So I trusted my method, so I added a position here at this hammer. And then so far it's gonna probably break even around this point here, because and my take profit is still here. If this does a strong move to the upside here, I might lock in some profits and move my take profit to here, because if it goes up to here, it's most likely gonna consolidate a little bit and then retest this high of 1.02. So the good news is haven't had a losing month this year, as you can tell. It's all positive returns. So this was April's return. Me. So I'll go ahead and do another update in 2 weeks or so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Email me, email description below. Thank you.